How to change bank account in Shopify. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to change bank account in Shopify. In order to change your bank account in Shopify, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, log into your Shopify account. And when you are logged into your account, that will take you to the home page, which will look something like this. While you're on this page, you want to do is click on the settings at the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. If you press on that, you'll be taken to the next field where you need to go ahead and click on payments from the left hand side bar. So as you click on payment from the left hand side bar, after you click on the payment option, then you want to go ahead and then enter in the billing address, all of that you want to change it with. And this way you'll be able to make changes with your payment address on your Shopify account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.